Hello student, today we will discuss one more problem on projection of plane. So this problem is based on a hexagonal polygon, and as we know that hexagonal polygon has a six-sided figure, closed figure. So so how to draw this hexagonal polygon? So I already made two video, that is one is on pentagonal polygon and second is on hexagonal polygon. uh, how to draw this, all such video I uploaded in my first class of this topic, projection of plane. So you can see there how to draw this hexagonal polygon as well as pentagonal polygon. So uh, so this is a hexagonal polygon having six side figure. So the first is important. Firstly important is question. So read the question carefully and and check the data given carefully, because this is very important for you to better understand the question, because you have to draw a first figure based on this question. So where you have to draw the first figure, that we called it as a true surface. So it is very important for you to where to draw a true surface, below xy or above xy. So the true figure, making of true figure is very important. So what is the question? The one side of the regular hexagonal is 30 mm side is in HP. As in HP, when you see this word is in HP, so the one thing is clear, that the line, that is the that is the diagram to surface. You will make this, you have to make this on below xy line, because this is a very clear line. From here you can easily get where your first figure, that is true surface, is made. So this is in HP. And while the now the next question, while the opposite side 45 mm above the HP, that is one side is in HP, then it means the figure touches HP, plane HP. So this is, you draw this is in left side, that is A and B, and it touch the plane HP and inclined at some angle. This side is above HP, and above HP, and these sides are opposite to each other. So this is given in question, that one side is on HP and other side is above HP. uh, at angle given in, sorry, no, angle is not given, the distance is given, that is the distance is 45 mm above HP, means this side is above 45 mm HP, above HP, and this figure is on HP. So the angle is not given in the question, that is how much the angle is with HP. This is not given. Now only tell you the height of the opposite side, how much it is above HP, but not how what angle theta it made with that HP. So that will be shown in VP, as you know that the angle HP, the angle made at HP, that is theta angle, will show at VP. So this is all about the positioning of a first figure, that is true figure, because the first and second figure, that is this first figure and second figures, are our base of the given case, is of the given question. So next, the third figure is according to the given data in the question. So the question says that the side is an HP. So draw in such a manner. I draw it in such a manner. The side is one side. So the projection line is in light. Is a projection line. The projection line is light in nature. So draw all this line, and firstly you have to place the figure in such way, and then projection line in straight above, and join this line is straight. This is a plane. When you see it from a front side, it look like a straight line. And when you saw from the top, you see this surface. This is the top surface, top view of true surface. This is the front view of true surface. Firstly, in a plane, when a question of plane is given, firstly you have to draw a true length of or true surface of a plane. So these are the true surfaces, that is, this is the true surfaces on top, and this is the true surfaces in front view. So the second surface, the second figure is of straight line, because when you see this plane from front, it because its height is zero, plane has a zero height, so that's why it is a zero in height and look like in a straight line, like a line, but it is not a line, it is a plane when you saw it from the front side. So A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash are the point uh, that you carry from the top view by a projection line, and dash is represented because you are seeing from front, and this fall on the x on the front side is on xy line, and this is our front view, so represented by dash, as I told you, in a line, in a topic line. So this is all this is all about this two figure. Now the next is so from here, one thing is also clear, this side is A dash, B dash is here, and the opposite side is here, it is opposite side is here. So from the question is given, the opposite side, this side, is above HP, and how much it is, how much the angle is made by that plane is not given, but above HP. So draw a locus. uh, I draw this in such a way, 40 mm above XY, and then take this length from here to here, because this is true length of this plane, and mark this length and arc here from this point to this, and join this from this point, join this. So you will get then you will get a plane is inclined at some angle as a given, the angle is not given, but the height is given from, and when you draw this all this thing, you also get this theta angle from by making this arc and join this point. So next is draw the projection line from this to downward, from this to downward, this downward, and also produce these points on this projection line and intersection point. The intersection point of these projection line gives you the another hexagon, and this hexagonal is of shorter in size than the true surface, because the plane is, when a plane is inclined or the line is inclined at some angle, as I told you in my previous videos, in projection of line, that as I inclined a line at some angle, the line becomes shorter. So as I incline plane at some angle, the plane becomes shorter, and it is less than the true surface. So this point is A and this point is A, so the intersection point is here. Then B point is here, and B point is here, the intersection point is this. Then all you have to join all these points like this, and you will get this you will get a hexagon, and this is the top view. You'll get the top view according to the given data. So next the question is given that the inclined, the given is inclined 30 degree to VP, the opposite side is above the HP, and inclined 30 degree to the VP, means the side opposite side, the side opposite is above 45 mm above HP, is inclined is inclined 30 degree with the VP. So the VP angle with the VP is phi, that is shown at HP. So take a point anywhere and draw a line. Draw a line and draw the angle, phi 30 degree below XY. So take this distance, because this is opposite side, and mark here this distance, here. So then take this projection line and transfer all these line, the distance, check this distance and draw this projection line, then check this distance between this projection line and draw this line, and draw this projection line in a light, in color, with 2H pencil, and take this distance and mark arc here, then take this distance, mark arc here, then take this distance, mark arc here, then take this distance and this distance and mark all these arc, and transfer. You have to transfer a figure from here to here, and this like this. You have to just transfer this figure from here to here, and at 30 degree angle, phi 30 degree below XY in HP, and this angle is with VP as shown at HP below XY. So you transfer this figure and name it, and then move all these point above. Then all these point, after naming all these point above, and and then transfer this these line, and transfer these line, and transfer this line here, and this line. So again you will get a intersection point according to the intersection point, and you have to join all that intersection point, and you will get a figure here also. Here also you will get figure this figure you will get by joining these intersection line, these projection line and these projection line. These projection line meet, and the intersection point create this hexagon, and this is a six-sided figure. So the top and the above, you will get the above you will get the front view, and here this you will get the top view. So theta angle, you also got the angle theta. So this is all about this question. The first figure is this, second is this, then angle 30 degree, not angle 30 degree, that is above 45. The opposite side is 45. This is opposite side above 45, and you incline this angle, then projection line downward, and create the top view by intersection, by the projection intersection, and create a create a points, and join all such point. You will get a top view, and the shorter hexagon, and then move these point, then transfer this figure to here, and all the projection line, and incline the side, because the given the side is inclined 60 degree. So move all this figure, and then move the projection line, same thing above, and this projection line also here, and you create this figure that is you are seeing in the background. You are seeing in the background of this. So this is all about this question, a very simple question. So very the question, the important thing is how to understand the question, and the first positioning is very much important. So this all depend on the question. So how you read this question. So this is very simple problem. So we will meet in one more problem of this projection of plane, and keep doing practice of this topic. And the onward topic called projection of solid and sectioning of solid, all are interconnected with each other. So if you have a good knowledge of this topic, you can easily clear this other topic called projection of solid as well as projection of sectioning. So this is all about this question. So thank you. We'll meet in next video. Take care.